and take a look. I'm growing tons of edibles here in my landscape, but trying my best to make it look aesthetically pleasing. So you guys tell me what you guys think about how I lay things out and how they look. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys get some ideas and learn from this. So I do love to grow succulents. I have a water bath right there, as you guys can see. I have my banana succulents that grow like crazy here in my garden. I have a baby little apple tree here that I saved from a nursery that was about to be thrown away. And yeah, it's a tiny little dwarf apple tree. It hasn't grown much. As you can see right here, I have my Hass avocado. That's the first thing you see when you enter the side of my yard. It's in a wine barrel, growing fantastically. I topped it off. It's getting tons of new leaves.